Ready. Aim. Fire. Today, I am going to teach you how to do that. First, take off the eraser. Next, get scissors and pry off the handle. Now, remove the cap. Many, you can screw the cap off. But for some, you have to pry the cap off with pliers. You twist and pull until the cap comes off. As you can see, there's a black piece. On the unscrew ones, there is a gold piece. Either way, that is the piece you must remove. On these, you must remove the black piece before you can take the back off. On these, a piece of the back will usually come off. When you take it off, it goes in. You can try to pull it off, but a much easier way is to cut it off. Now, you should be able to take this completely off. Do not remove the spring. If it comes off, put it back on. And re-screw the cap. Aim. And